Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your wali. A wali is a crucial figure in Islamic marriage, acting as a legal guardian for the bride. This role is usually held by a paternal male relative, like her father. Their main responsibility is to safeguard her well-being and ensure her marriage is in her best interest. For most Islamic schools of thought, the presence of a wali is a fundamental condition for a marriage to be considered valid. There are specific situations where changing your wali becomes necessary. For instance, if your current wali is unavailable, their whereabouts are unknown, or they are simply unable to perform their duties. Another key reason is if they unjustly refuse a suitable marriage proposal without a valid Islamic reason. Furthermore, it is important to remember that a non-Muslim cannot act as a wali for a Muslim woman. Understanding the order of guardianship is vital. The father is always the first in line to be a wali. If he is absent or unable, the role typically passes to the paternal grandfather. After that, the responsibility moves to brothers, then paternal uncles, and so on, following a clear family hierarchy. Should no suitable family member be available, an Islamic judge or a respected community leader can step in. To appoint a new wali, begin by consulting the next closest eligible male relative according to the Islamic order of guardianship. If you find that no family member can fulfill this role, your next step is to approach an Islamic judge or a local imam. They can then assume the responsibility. Remember, the new wali must meet specific Islamic conditions, including being a Muslim, an adult, and of sound mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.